Howdy, y'all! Welcome to SlimSync, where flavor meets fitness, Texas style. Today, we're whipping up 3 bold, healthy Western meals that'll make you feel lighter without missing that classic Lone Star flavor. My name is David, and I believe eating healthy shouldn't mean giving up the foods you love. Down here in Texas, we're all about big, bold flavors, and I'm here to show you how to keep all that deliciousness while still hitting your fitness goals. We'll make smoky BBQ turkey wraps, a hearty cauliflower steak, and a zesty chicken and quinoa bowl, all packed with flavor, not calories. These recipes prove you can eat like a Texan and still be lean, strong, and full of life. Let's get this show on the road. First up, Texas BBQ Turkey Lettuce Wraps, a lighter twist on classic BBQ that's big on flavor, not calories. Start with a pound of lean ground turkey, sizzling in a hot skillet with a touch of olive oil. Let it brown for those crispy, flavorful bits. Mix up a Texas BBQ spice blend, smoked paprika, chili powder, cumin, garlic, and onion powder. Sprinkle it over the turkey and let the aroma fill your kitchen. Stir in sugar-free BBQ sauce, a splash of apple cider vinegar, and a dash of Worcestershire. Simmer until thick and glossy. Grab crisp lettuce leaves, iceberg, butter, or romaine, and spoon in that smoky turkey. Top with diced red onion, a sprinkle of sharp cheddar, and fresh cilantro for a burst of color and flavor. These wraps are high protein, low carb, and totally satisfying. Serve them up at your next get-together. They're naturally gluten-free and packed with bold Texas taste. This is healthy eating, Texas style, big flavor, no compromises. Take a bite and enjoy the crunch, the smoky turkey, and the fresh toppings. Who says you have to give up BBQ to eat clean? These wraps are proof you can have it all. Taste, nutrition, and that Texas spirit. Perfect for lunch, dinner, or a post-workout meal. They're quick, easy, and sure to be a hit with the whole family. SlimSync is all about making food that nourishes your body and satisfies your soul. So go ahead, pile 'em high and dig in. This is how we do healthy in Texas, y'all. Ready for the next recipe? Let's keep this flavor train rolling. On to our Cowboy Cauliflower Steak. Next up, Cowboy Cauliflower Steaks with chimichurri, a plant-based dish that's as bold as any steakhouse classic. Slice a large cauliflower into thick steaks, keeping the core intact for structure. Brush both sides with olive oil, then season generously with smoked paprika, garlic, onion powder, salt, and pepper. Sear in a hot cast iron skillet until golden and caramelized, then finish in a 400-degree oven until tender. While they roast, whip up a quick chimichurri, parsley, cilantro, garlic, oregano, olive oil, red wine vinegar, and a pinch of red pepper flakes. Pulse until chunky and vibrant. Plate your cauliflower steak and drizzle with that zesty green sauce. The result? Smoky, meaty texture with a fresh, tangy punch. This dish is hearty, satisfying, and loaded with nutrients. Proof that vegetables can be the star of the show. Cauliflower brings fiber and vitamins, while chimichurri adds antioxidants and healthy fats. It's a feast for the eyes and the taste buds. Serve as a main or a show-stopping side at your next cookout. Take a bite. Smoky, savory, and bursting with fresh herbs. Who knew healthy could taste this bold? This is Texas-inspired cooking at its best. Big flavors, simple ingredients. Perfect for anyone looking to eat more plants without sacrificing satisfaction. Try it once and you'll crave it again. That's the SlimSync way. Real food, real flavor. Ready for one more? Let's build a spiced ranch chicken bowl. Grab your bowls and let's get cooking. Healthy never looked or tasted so good. Our final recipe, spiced ranch chicken bowl with quinoa and black beans, a power-packed meal for busy days. Dice boneless, skinless chicken breasts and toss with olive oil and a homemade ranch spice blend. Dill, garlic powder, onion powder, parsley, and smoked paprika. Sauté until golden and cooked through. Cook quinoa in low-sodium broth for extra flavor. Rinse canned black beans and thaw some corn. Both add fiber, protein, and a touch of sweetness. Dice red bell pepper and red onion for crunch and color. For the dressing, mix Greek yogurt, lime juice, dill, garlic powder, and a splash of water until creamy. Build your bowl. Start with quinoa, then arrange chicken, beans, corn, peppers, and onions in colorful sections. Top with sliced avocado for healthy fats and creaminess. Drizzle with the tangy Greek yogurt ranch dressing. Finish with fresh cilantro for a burst of flavor. Every bite is a mix of savory chicken, creamy avocado, sweet corn, and zesty veggies. This bowl is balanced, beautiful, and keeps you full for hours. Perfect for meal prep. Just assemble when you're ready to eat. It's a grab-and-go lunch that beats any boring salad. Healthy eating is about abundance, not restriction. This is real food, big flavors, and smart choices. The SlimSync way. Eat well, feel great, and never sacrifice taste. Try this bowl and see how satisfying healthy can be. Let's wrap things up, y'all. There you have it. 3 bold Texan meals to keep you lean and your taste buds happy. Healthy eating doesn't mean boring, especially not in Texas. I hope these recipes inspire you to get cooking and see how delicious healthy can be. Thanks for joining me on SlimSync. Don't forget to subscribe for more big flavors and smart choices. Keep your skillets hot and your flavors bold. From my kitchen to yours, take care and see you next time.